you must be aware about the sources of air pollution. According to your syllabus, I have mentioned these four. We have vehicular exhaust, industrial waste, burning garbage and brick kilns. See how they do cause air pollution. Let us discuss firstly the exhaust that are emitted by the vehicles. You must have seen on roads the smoke that is emitted by the burning of fossil fuels. What type sort of fossil fuels commonly are there? We have diesel and petrol, right. So, when they are burnt in the automobiles, in the vehicles, they are going to release oxides of nitrogen, they are going to release carbon dioxide. So, these are going to cause threat to the environment, they are going to lead to air pollution. So, vehicular exhausts are the major source of air pollution. Okay. That is why you must have heard about Delhi. The public transport is running on CNG, compressed natural gas. They are not using diesel or petrol, they are using CNG. So, this is one of the method by which government is trying to reduce this air pollution because of the vehicular exhaust that leads to air pollution. Next we have the industrial waste. Now, this industrial waste also sometimes has SPM. SPM is suspended particulate matter. Now, when this SPM is released along with toxic materials, harmful gases, then this also leads to air pollution, right. So, pollution check is a must for the industry so that it does not lead to air pollution. Then we have the burning garbage. When garbage is burnt, this also lead to the release of some toxic gases. Some toxic chemicals are also being released which are volatile. Volatile means which forms vapors easily. So, burning garbage is also one of the major sources of air pollution. Then we have brick kilns. Now, brick kilns also lead to air pollution because a large amount of coal is burnt in brick kilns. So, when large amount of coal is burnt, definitely it is going to lead to the emission of gases such as carbon dioxide, right. So, this is also going to lead to air pollution. So, these are one of the four major sources of air pollution. So, what do they release and all? They release SPM, suspended particulate matter, then some oxides of nitrogen, right, then carbon monoxide, then carbon dioxide, right, and also oxides of sulfur. Okay. So, they all lead to air pollution, right. So, remember vehicular exhaust, industrial waste, burning garbage and brick kilns, they lead to air pollution.